Friends, in this session we are going to discuss propagation of elastic waves due to compressibility of fluid. Okay, so propagation of elastic wave due to compressibility of the fluid, that derivation we are going to derive here. Okay, that means we have already used Mach number, and that is K by rho is equal to C. Okay, this relation we are sonic velocity relation we are going to use root under K by rho. Okay, so that we are going to find out the relations. So let us see a fixed rigid body this is fixed rigid body, okay, and there is a piston, okay. So let us call it as u, distance u dt, and this one c dt. Okay, so let us consider this fixed control volume of rigid body. Okay, so let us consider a fixed control volume of rigid body. Okay, see now, let u be the initial velocity. Okay, now due to compression, what will happen? There will change in pressure. So due to compression, there will be change in pressure. Okay, change in pressure, that is delta P. Since pressure increases, density also changes. Okay, see now, using the continuity equation here, that is rho A V is u dt will be equal to d rho into A into C dt. Okay, before compression and after compression. So now see here, this A will get cancelled and dt will get cancelled. So we can find it out. C will be equal to rho u by d rho. Rho u by d rho. Okay, and neglecting frictions, that is impulse momentum equation, impulse is force. So we have used delta P into A. Delta P into A, that is force, sorry, delta P is pressure into area is force into time dt. Okay, so this one will be equal to, neglecting friction, impulse momentum is mass. So here rho a c dt into v minus, or you can call it as u minus 0. Okay, so momentum is mass rho a v, okay, into v2 minus v1, so it is this one. Now here also we can cancel out this one dt. So here will be, c will be equal to dp by dp by c will be equal to rho into u. Okay, see now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Combining equation 1 and 2, that means c square, or we can call it as equation 1 into equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 into equation 2, c square, this into this will be rho u by 0 into this one dp by rho u. Okay, so this rho u will get cancelled and c square will be equal to dp by d rho. So this is very important expression we have derived. So c is sonic velocity, actually c is nothing but sound velocity or sonic velocity. Okay, so we have, this derivation has not been continued, we will continue in the next lecture. So let us see what we have studied in this class. So propagation, we are continuing propagation of elastic waves due to compressibility of the fluid or compression of the fluid. So this is the due to piston, moving parts, piston moving in this direction. So it may be here also. Okay, now going to this side, dotted line. So due to movement of the piston, there will be compression. Okay, so compression means volume decreases, pressure will increase. So that pressure, a small increase in pressure. See, consider a fixed control volume of rigid body. Let u is the initial velocity. Due to compression, there will be change in pressure delta P. Since the pressure increases, density also changes. Okay, using control volume, what is this? That is continuity equation, mass rho a v. So initially it was having velocity u into dt. Okay, it will be equal to, after compression there will be increase in density also, that is d rho into a into c into dt. So we will get c is equal to rho u by d rho. Neglecting friction, or we can call it as impulse momentum equation. Impulse is nothing but pressure into area. Pressure we are already used here. Due to compression there increase in pressure. So the dp into area, that is your force. A force into time is impulse, will be equal to momentum, that is rho a. Momentum is rho a v, that is sonic velocity into time, that is the distance travelled. Okay, into velocity, that is u minus 0. So see here we are getting c will be equal to dp by rho u. Okay, now multiplying equation 1 and 2, that is c into c square will be equal to rho u by d rho into dp by rho u. So rho u will get cancelled. So dp by d rho equation, this is not the final equation, we have to convert this one. As I told you, c will be root under v by c, that is okay. Here, there we would discuss Mach number. So Mach number is equal to V by, that is K by rho. So it is V by C. Okay. So this we are going to prove. C is equal to root under K by rho. This is not the final equation. So this equation will be C square. C square will be equal to dP by d rho. Okay. This is not complete equation, and this relation will be continued after this session also. In the next class we will able to prove this relation. Okay. So propagation of elastic waves due to compressibility of the fluid. Okay. Thank you.